Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is a set of water skis. We had a little boat when I was really young, and it was here, I guess they bought it when I was maybe 1 or 2. And we carried that boat to go camping and go out on the water. Well, we had a set of water skis that my dad had got from somewhere, and he had redone them. Well, we were at this place camping overnight, and normally I'd unload everything because I just didn't like leaving stuff in the boat. Somebody stole our set of water skis. My dad had redone them so they had an unusual look to them. They were darker than most skis. I was about 12. I don't think I was 13. And the next day, there was another man talking with my dad about it, and a young guy overheard it, and he said, well, there were some guys in a boat with a red stripe sitting on your boat. And that's all he knew. He didn't see him do anything. So my dad, the man offered to go with him. My dad and this man and myself started riding around this lake. The lake was pretty big. Well, sure enough, there was a red boat on the water, and they had our water skis on. My dad pulled up beside them, jumped in, took the key out of the ignition, told the man to get the skis off and hand them over. Well, they had stolen some life preservers, so my dad threw a bunch of life preservers in our boat. And the guy, he handed them over and put them in the boat. And he asked, there was a lady driver. He said, where'd you get those skis from? I said, well, they came, these guys up there got them. So my dad, he didn't give her the key to the boat back. He got back in our boat, and we drove there where the guys were. And my dad was mad. And he was a big man. He was about 6'3", and probably close to 300 solid pounds. I mean, he was in a decent shape. Not that he worked out, but he farmed and he worked. And but there at a certain age, he was in good enough shape. Well, he wanted to go up there and fight the men. I wanted to go up there and fight the men. The man with us didn't want to go up there and fight the men. And I was ready to go. And but my dad, I know he had his pistol in his pocket, and he always toted that pistol. Not that he went and looked for trouble, but he always had a pistol in his pocket just in case. Well, he didn't say anything vulgar to the men, but he let them know. He said, I got your boat numbers and everything else. And he said, y'all will be getting a visit from the authorities. And but I was ready to go. You know, if my dad was going to fight, I was going to be up there fighting with him. And so we left, and we were leaving that day anyway, so we loaded up and left, and nothing ever happened after that. But that was, gosh, that was so long ago. But we had those skis for many, many years, and somewhere they disappeared along the line. I don't know where they got to, but I'd still love to have them just for the memories. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.